Hello folks, this is David Hurley of davidhurley.net, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a header image in your WordPress theme to get your image looking just as you want it to look on your blog. So we'll come over to our dashboard. I'll just show you the image we have here. This is a theme I've just uploaded, and we have this image here which we want to change. Now, the first thing to say is that you need to upload a theme that has a header image that you can customize. So let's have a look in Appearance and Customize. That's where we want to go to change the header image and to edit the image. Or you can just go Get Started. There's this big blue button here, Customize Your Site. That will also get you there. But let's learn how to do it through the menu. Appearance, Customize, and this is the customizing menu here. And because we have a theme with a customizable header image, we have this menu option here, header image. So we go in there and we want to replace this header image. So I'll add a new image. We just add this full image here. And we're not going to crop it at this stage. We'll just have a look at this image just put in like so. And here it is. And let's just publish it and have a look at the blog. Refresh. And there it is. Now, it's not a very well aligned image, as you can see. What we want to do is actually have the head of the figure at the top, showing more of the body down here. So how do we do that? Now, there are two ways I'll show you how to edit your image. And the first one is let's go back to add new image again. The first one, when you have selected your image, you then get a cropping option. So it says here crop image and skip cropping here. So at this stage you've got this bar here which you can move around, and so you might want to crop it like so. Now, depending on the theme, some bars you can extend, this one you cannot, or you can shorten. Okay, this one allows us to do that. Notice it's shortening in proportion. So if you wanted that image in the middle to be quite a lot bigger, that's how you would do it. But we don't want that. We want the image to be right in the middle like so, and the head to be just neatly at the top, something like that. So let's imagine this is now our ideal header image. We can then crop the image. And here we have the new image. Now we find that the figure is much better aligned. We'll just have a look at how it was, and then we'll publish this and refresh. And there is the image realigned. So that's one way to do it. But cropping the image, depending on the theme, you don't always end up with the result you want. So there's another way to do it, which is probably a more accurate way, and that is where you have a header image, they usually give you the dimensions of the header image at the top here. You can take those dimensions and you can then create your header image. For example, in Canva here I've created an image like so from the original image, and then you can download that image like so and upload it to your blog. And I've already done that, and so let's now change for a new image, and here it is, the pre-prepared image like so. This is the one I prepared in Canva. So let's see what happens when we just select that. Probably don't need to crop it. Look at that. It's we don't need to do any cropping at all. So we'll skip cropping and put that straight in. There we are. So we can see that that's going to be just about right. So we publish and have a look at the image on the blog by refreshing. And there we are. So exactly. So those are two ways that you can edit your image. One is in the customize theme area. So appearance, customize. And one is where you create a pre-prepared image using the theme header image dimensions. And then that image you can just upload to your blog through the appearance customize menu. Okay, so I hope that clarifies how to edit a header for your WordPress blog. Okay, folks, that's all from me for now. David Hurley of davidhurley.net.